Have you ever seen these beautiful and engaging bento grids on websites? Now today we are going to build one. Start by creating an index.html file and write the boilerplate using the exclamation mark short key. Then create a parent div with class container and 5 child boxes. Then add a style attribute and give them the grid area property. Now let's move on to our CSS file. Create a CSS file and link it with our HTML file. Do some basic styling to the body element. Then give the container element a display property of and the value grid, cause we're creating a grid obviously. Then create 4 columns and 2 rows of 100 pixels in the container. Give the boxes a background color, like blue or something. Add a gap of 1 EM between the boxes. Now the real thing comes, add a grid template areas property and give them a value like this. Remember, the pattern of the text is the way that will be displayed on the website. Then you can write some code to make it responsive. So here's our final look. You can see it's also responsive. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and keep pushing code. See you soon.